Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create the new home screen customization like this. So here you can basically place the icons anywhere. You can even add stickers and you can even place those icons at an angle. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the store. So this is the Galaxy Store. Go ahead and search for Good Lock. Go ahead and install this app. Now once you've installed the app, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're searching for Home Up. Tap on this. Now from here, you're going ahead and turning it on and then tapping on home screen. From here, find the DIY home screen, turn that on and tap on it. And now you can go ahead and customize your home screen like this. So let's go ahead and edit this home screen. So go ahead and long press on the home screen. Now you want to go ahead and edit your home screen. So as you can see, I'm editing my home screen. I can place the buttons anywhere I like. I can make it larger. Once I'm happy with it, I'll press home. And as you can see, I've basically customized my home screen on my Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.